Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you about our premium range of machines. Now, many of the features of our premium range machines are the same, it's just the capacities that tend to differ between the machines. In particular, I'm going to talk to you about our KBU 35 MQW. So this machine has an 1100 watt powerful motor, has a cutting capacity of 35 mil, and in order to change your cutter, you pull the collar down, the cutter slots in and then locks into place. Once you finish drilling, you can remove the cutter easily by re-pulling the collar down and removing the cutter. The machine has a 50 mil depth of cut, and with an accessory you can increase that to 75 mil. In terms of tapping, the machine has got the capacity to tap up to M14. It can ream up to M18 and you can twist drill up to 18 mil. The machine also has Morse taper, so you can knock out the shaft and then pop in your twist drills in there to give you the capacity of up to 18 mil. The machine has a stroke range of up to 260 mil. That's achieved through this double dovetail joint on the side here. So you release the two levers, you can then raise the machine up and lock the levers back into place. And that then gives you your 260 mil of travel. You can also see on the top here, it has an integrated coolant bottle. So the coolant is in there, little tap on the side, and obviously that will get the coolant flowing down to your cutter as well. Another important feature is over time, as the slide is used up and down, it will wear and the machine could then become loose. So you can tighten the slide by using these grub screws down the sides, and that keeps the machine in tip-top condition. The machine also has a very powerful 10,000 Newton meter magnetic base, and the machine runs between 130 and 520 RPM thanks to its variable speed. That variable speed is controlled on this very intuitive keypad on the top, the same keypad that's on our KBC 36. They each have a magnet button that once pushed will either stay solid green to tell you you've got 100% adhesion, or it will flash green to tell you you don't have 100% adhesion, so you need to be mindful of the pressure you're applying as you're drilling with the accessory. They also have a reverse function, a power on function. You then have your two speed setting buttons, so minus speed and plus speed, and you have your power off button as well. The machine also has a memory function. What that means is you can run the machine at full speed, reduce the speed down, and then switch the machine off. You can then turn the machine on and drill at full speed. Then if you're tapping and you turn the machine off, change your accessory, you would then push the speed down button and the on button, and it will then restart again at the low setting, and that will enable you to drill and tap very, very quickly. So our premium machines are also fitted with a tilt sensor. What that means is if the machine is to move suddenly, the machine will cut off and the red light on the top here will flash to tell you that there's been a problem, the machine stopped. The side handle of the machine can also be removed and swapped to the opposite side. Obviously helps with access issues. It's quite simple. You take the screw out, handle then slides off. There's a locating lug on the handle there, which locates itself on the machine. You then take the screw and pop that back in the opposite side. And that's good to go. In the box, you also get a safety guard to go around the machine when it's in use. You get a swarf remover to remove any of the excess waste without having to use your hands. And then you get your safety strap, which could be strapped around the beam to ensure the machine is nice and secure and everybody's safe. And that is our KBU 35 MQW.